Are you wondering where this vase was made and what's inside the vase? Well, let's see. Like most traditional vases, the company the vase was made by is printed on the bottom of the vase. As you can see, this looks like a difficult task, but by practicing, I managed to expand my skills and should come in handy towards the future. Looks like I got lucky today. The jewels in this vase is a representation of Earth 2, but can any of you name these jewels? Please remember to watch my video premiering this Monday the 13th of June 2022 at 9 p.m. London UK time. You can find the link in a previous tweet I did yesterday by searching for Meta Home Limited on Twitter.